See how this terrible man went crazy.
What is your fucking issue? Dude, what's your problem?
You've got a big mouth, isn't you? Huh?
What's your problem?
The fact that you're right in front of my car like that and I can't fucking move.
You can
and then you give it all this.
It's called
and look at
filtering.
you. Look at you.
Cyclists are allowed
Look
to
at
do
you.
that.
I can fucking spark you
Mate,
right
I'm
now.
fucking what the
Spark
fuck?
you right now.
Have you got problems?
I got
Seriously,
lazy.
go away.
You touch me again.
Can you go away because you're
again.
freaking me the fuck out, man?
Good. Shouldn't fuck with people then, should you?
Fuck you. Ah, you fucking prick! Are you serious?
Can't sleep with me.
Mate, you just fucking went